Well.
Alright, what's going on in class? Hope you guys are doing great. Sorry for being still from the special videos. It's not to stop. But today I'm going to be teaching you guys a move called the shuffles. Alright, so a little bit of a different setup today because it doesn't let me show you what you guys did. You might have seen it in the demo already, but just so I can pinpoint. So here is what you're doing. Shuffles. Okay? So how you get into that move is up to you. How in any way, ultimately, any move you learn, you want to be able to figure out how to get in and out in multiple ways. That way, you're not just that way you're not getting predictable. Okay, one very easy way, I'm teaching you to. Okay, you go to here, then you can shuffle. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna show you the footwork so we can see it. And there's kind of like a body level. I like doing it. You don't necessarily have to do it, but I just think it's better than just doing this. It looks like a flopping mermaid. Okay, so you guys have been driving by this whole time. I thought they were gonna kick me out. Anyways, say you're here. Okay, I'm on my right side. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kick. So I have this kind of like half split kind of thing going on, but I'm gonna try to lift this left foot up. Okay, so that causes me to lean back a little bit more. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is switch my feet, boom, like I'm doing a karate kick or something. Okay, kick, I bring this in as much as I can, boom, then I'm gonna extend my right and bring this in like a ninja, boom. Then I unextend and I just go backwards. Cool? And you can come from a hook too. Okay, so say I'm coming from a hook. Okay, example. Say I'm gonna do coming from your neutral stance here. Okay, and I can go here, here. Cool? You want to be able to come in and out of moves multiple ways. So, one, okay, watch the shape. Cool, pay attention to the details. So I'm going too slowly so we can do it as well. Switch, boom. Hook and extend the right leg, boom. Cool, then I'm going to reverse it, out, and hook. Okay, so let's give that a count so we have kind of a rhythm to work with. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now to add it a little bit more, because I don't know if you saw the customizing your 6-step video, there are multiple ways. A lot of these moves are the foundation moves are foundation for a reason. If you run out of stuff, like you run out of like a set, or you're freestyling and you forget your moves, you go back to your foundation moves. Okay, like say you're doing a wave, or say you have your own like, yeah, I'm doing something really cool and unique, and then you forget. That's a terrible example, but you have your foundation to go back to. You go back to your 6-step because it's automatic. It should be ingrained where it's like literally like riding a bicycle, even though I don't know how to ride a bicycle. So variation now. Okay, I should have kept that camera going, but anyways, okay, I'm gonna have to just turn. Okay, so from here, boom, here, I like doing levels. So here, hook, here, up. So so on the initial one, 1, 2, 3. On the ninja hook, I go back down like how I taught you guys your ninja. Okay, kick, up, kick, down, kick, up, up. Cool. So that's one variation. Okay, another variation is you can push it out. I think this variation might be the Casper shuffles, but I'm not too sure. I haven't seen any of this stuff in a while, so if you guys want to correct me on that at all, link me in the video. Because as far as I know, there is Casper shuffles. I'm not sure if this is technically the right way of doing it, because I know it's shuffles, but you're traveling. I'm not sure if this is the proper way of doing it, but I'm doing it based off this version of the shuffles. So, okay, so you're here, you're doing this move, okay, and all you're doing is travel. Cool, as my mic is falling out. Cool. Try it again. Try not to let it fall out. On the other side. Okay, I normally have a smaller mic, or audio source or phone with me, but it's not charged. So boom. Cool. That's one way. Another one is doing it in the form of footwork. It just feels more comfortable on my right side. That's why I'm switching it. So from here, you can come from, say, a kick out. Okay, boom, kick out, boom. Okay, I'm probably not gonna do these as clean because I don't normally use these moves as a regular thing, but I've seen Pull One do it, like a freaking beast that he is. But I'm just doing it as an example to give you more ideas. Okay, so same thing, how we're kind of a kick out. Okay, kick, switch, hook, kick, switch, hook. Kick, switch, hook, switch. Same thing, but here up to more footwork level instead of a sitting and laying down level. So that's it. The main thing that I want you guys to get out of this is to work on your basic shuffles. Then from there, you can start doing variations. Once you're feeling brave enough to do something else, okay? Hell, do it on your forearm. Make it different, okay? This is a beginner, I'm not gonna say a foundation, but it's a beginner move. It's enough for you to do something creative with it. Hell, any move you learn should be able to be experimenting and finding different angles just to make it different. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Again, start with foundation. Always make sure you're warmed up. And yeah, let me know. You guys know where to find me if you have any questions. I love hearing from you guys. And one thing is, if you really want to improve, I really encourage you guys to share your freestyle videos with me. All you've got to do is send a message, leave it as a Q&A, and actually prior to that, film yourself, upload it to YouTube as an unlisted video, then post it as a message or a Q&A question. That way I can actually help you guys improve, because it's one thing that to watch this video, but it's a completely different thing to actually give you guys feedback, you know, because compared to an actual live class, I can give you guys the feedback that you need, but considering that this is online, the only way I can give you guys actual legit feedback is if you guys send me the video. So, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys later.
Your house out of bounds, you can run, but you can't hide.